Hey everyone, thank you for coming back. I hope you read Don't Let Her Stay. If you haven't, still watch the craft. I'm not going to do any spoiler alerts, and I hope you get a chance to read it. But I thought it would be a wonderful craft to make for this book would be a serving tray. Everything it seems so perfect, in the story. So why not have a perfect setting to sit down with your friends and just make a great little gathering or brunch or lunch. And you could put some fruit or cookies or even display books on this. It might not be the best to put something wet on it. This is not going to be waterproof. But I got this frame at the dollar store. I'm just going to remove the backing that holds it up. And I have some sticky wallpaper. You can also get that at the dollar store. I just had this left over. And I'm going to cover the mat that the frame has. Not even doing an insert on it, just covering the actual mat itself. And then once I have that stuck on, you could probably add flowers if you wanted to, like dried flowers or pressed flowers onto this, or even draw a little design. I really like this wallpaper. I don't know what it is about the color and the shapes and the movement of it, but I'm just going to leave it as it is right there. I'm going to lock everything back in. Like I said, it's not going to be waterproof, but it sure is cute. I'm going to use the hot glue to line the sides of it just to make sure it stays and it doesn't fall through. And you could put handles on this if you wanted to. I just wanted to make it an elevated serving tray. So I also got these big pearls at the dollar store. So this is a very inexpensive craft that you can do with your friends. It goes together really fast too. So it's just lots of fun to get creative with it. And I'm just putting these on the corners and a little bit on the longer sides there just to make sure it is raised a wee bit. And I should show you here in just a moment how cute it is. And it's got like a little bit of a lift to it off the table. And there you go. Fun craft for Don't Let Her Stay. Thank you so much for watching.